run you jog.
Out here doing a new construction today. This job's in the middle of nowhere in North Dakota, about 45 minutes away from anything. Didn't even have service out here. It's actually a pretty good day being that it's a winter in North Dakota and we are in December. Hit about 30 degrees today, so definitely was a real nice day. Shout out to Milwaukee. Been absolutely loving their new roofing nailer. I've already got 3 of them. I highly recommend them to anybody in construction, especially in roofing, to put on trims. They're so good for siding, for a lot of things. Check them out. They're actually really cool. But making the angle cut here for my gutter apron. This is how to quickly and efficiently put on gutter apron. Pounding that nail in. Yeah, here it is. That Milwaukee gun is an absolute beauty. Things been working perfect. Do not recommend getting the DeWalt one. Had lots of issues with it jamming up. Well, that's it for today.